So hello everyone, welcome to the new series we have started for the students who are going to appear for 2025 boards exams of class 10th. So this series is going to be helpful for you as we will be covering the important topics of science. So today we are having this numerical with us which is from the chapter light. So let's try to do this numerical. Find the size, nature and position of the image. You need to find the size of the image, that means you need to find h dash, or you can say height of image hi. You need to find the nature of the image, that means the image is real inverted or virtually erect, and you need to find the position of the image, that means you need to find v. We'll read the statement in parts so that we can understand each and every part. Okay, of image formed when an object of size 1 centimeter. Size of object means height of object h is equal to 1 centimeter is placed at a distance of 15 centimeter. The distance of object, that means u, is 15 centimeter from a concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter. Now we'll understand where plus will come and where minus will come. Height of object. We always keep the object upright on the principal axis, that means on the upper side of principal axis, and we take the distances which are on the upper side of principal axis positive only. So height of object would be positive only. U is always taken to be negative because object is always placed to the left side of the mirror. And next is focal length. Focal length of concave mirror is always negative. Clear? U would be negative as the object distance is always negative. F would be negative as the focal length of concave mirror as well as concave lens is also negative. Now we'll try to find V first. We'll use a mirror formula, and the mirror formula is 1 upon F equals 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. 1 upon F. Our focal length is minus 10. V we need to find, and U is minus 15. Now what we will do? We'll take this minus 15 on the other side. It will become plus 15. And here we are left with 1 upon V. Now we'll take LCM. LCM would be 30. And here we will get minus 3 plus 2. That means 1 upon V would be minus 1 upon 30. Which implies V would be minus 30 centimeter. That means V is also coming negative. And if V is also coming negative, that means image is also made on the left side of the mirror. And on the left side of the mirror, if image is formed, that means that image is real and inverted. Real and inverted. That means we got to know the position of image and we got to know the nature of image. Now we'll find the height of the image. Now we know this thing, magnification's formula for the mirrors is minus V upon U. And minus of V is again minus 30, another negative sign, and U is minus 15. So our final answer would be minus 2. You need to keep one thing in mind, that minus 2, minus is having different meaning, 2 is having different meaning. Minus means the image is inverted, which we already know. And 2 means, what's the meaning of 2? 2 means it's greater than 1. It's greater than 1 means the image would be bigger in size. Image would be enlarged. So what you write in the nature? Real, inverted and enlarged. Next is we need to find height of image. We are having another formula for magnification, which is height of image upon height of object. Here you can write HO also. So magnification is minus 2. Height of image we need to find. Height of object is given 1 centimeter. On cross multiplication we will get again the height of image is minus 2 centimeter. That means height of image is minus 2. Minus is again having the meaning, means it is inverted. Height will come negative only if the image would be inverted or it would be below the principal axis. And 2 means it's greater than 1, that means image is enlarged. So I hope you got this numerical. And if you're having any problem still in this numerical, you can ask me in the comment section below. Thank you.